How does making an extra $36,500 per year in income sound? This is obviously a lot of money, but did you know this is equivalent to making $100 a day? If you can figure out how to make $100 a day, you can seriously boost your annual income to reach your financial goals faster. Plus, there are so many ways to make extra cash on the side depending on your skills. Today, we will tell you about some profitable side hustles that make $100 plus per day. 5. Start a YouTube channel. Becoming a YouTube star is on the bucket list of many teenagers, but that doesn't mean that you should write it off as an impossibility. Sure, you might not become the next PewDiePie, but if you have the knack for storytelling, humor, demonstrating DIYs, or just vlogging about your day in an interesting way, you could garner up enough subscribers to meet your $100 per day goal. Large YouTube channels make insane amounts of money. There are many thousands of niche YouTube channels that earn thousands a month. Even if you don't reach your YouTube earnings goals, your channel could funnel people to your monetized blog. Don't just think of this as a vlog. There are great high-earning sites from channels like Dad How Do I, which gives fatherly advice for those who didn't grow up with father figures to give life advice. From changing tires to tying a tie. There are tons of niche YouTube channels making over $100 a day, and there are plenty of money-making ideas to monetize them. Yours could be next. 4. Become a virtual assistant. Emails need to be answered. Research needs to be compiled. Phone calls for appointments need to be made. Many businesses or individual entrepreneurs will need individuals to help with small tasks that need to be done, but aren't worth the time of time-strapped CEOs or business owners. Acting as a virtual assistant or VA is a great way to make $100 a day online. In fact, this is probably one of the most common ways of earning this extra income. 3. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is when you advertise someone else's products or services on your platform and get a commission from any sales that comes from your referral, usually through a unique link or code. This is a great way to combine side hustles. If you have a podcast, are an influencer, or have a store of your own, get into affiliate marketing. It's a great way to gain some passive income while you're either working on a different side hustle or working on your passions. 2. Write a blog. There are a lot of ways to make money blogging, so this is a great strategy if you're wondering how to make $100 a day. This is one of the most creative ways to make money online. If you want to earn money with a blog, you will need to put in a lot of legwork. Choose a niche that you know very well because you're going to need to come up with a lot of content. And it will do you well to learn how to do SEO, search engine optimization too. This will help you get the traffic you need to make money. A few ways to have a money-making website or blog is to employ the use of Google AdSense or one of these AdSense alternatives when it comes to choosing the main keyword. You might decide to place PPC ads and look for ways to improve your click-through rate. 1. Become a social media manager. Are you a whiz at all things Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and more? If so, you can use your own social media profiles to direct interest to your YouTube channel or your blog. You can also make money by managing other people's Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram accounts. Go ahead and market yourself as a social media expert or a social media manager and watch the dollars roll in. This money-making idea takes some time and work, but many companies, especially local businesses, are happy to pay good money for someone else to worry about Facebook, Twitter, and other platforms for them. Which one of them would you like to try? Thanks for watching.